got the Presidental something aircraft? Airline? I think airline, yeah, airline. Plane. There's no plane. Oh wait, who's that? Wait, Pilot Doge! Hooray! Oh great. I have to wait. Guess what? I also learned about alarms. Yes, for planes. Let me tell you them. Could be really important. Terrain, pull up if you're about to crash into, like, let's say someone's about to crash into that mountain right over there. Yep. It's terrain for about to crash into something. And bank angles, like when your plane is sideways. Yeah, it's that about pilot. Oh yeah, don't mind that. Definitely, my engine did not go out. Okay, I've been waiting for request to take off or what? Request to take off or what? Request to take off? Guys, I'm about to go in there as I to see tower and say yes. I'm about to do it myself. Me. Yes. Don't worry, it's really okay. Let's take off, guys. Oh no, I see dog hair. Don't know, it's Pilot Doge. He's coming. Ah! Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Oh no, pull up. Pull up.
A few moments later.
Hey, take off, and this is what I found out. He was copying me. Get over here. Get over here. He copied me. Get over here, Pilot Doge. You're not gonna be Pilot soon. You're gonna be Hospital Doge. Get over here. Oh, come on.
Traffic. Climb now. Climb now.
Traffic. Oh. Look. Yeah, that was traffic there. Yep. Traffic's when you're about to crash into another plane. Oh. Look at the plane. You like it? Oh.
Terrain. Pull up.
Oh, I listened to what I said. Pull up.
Bank angle.
You're okay.
Bank angle. 1,000.
Engine
Oh
one
no!
fire.
Engine one fire, guys!
300.
One of my engines is on fire! Help me! Oh!
Bank angle. 1,000.
Oh.
500. 400. 300.
Runway too short. Runway too short. Runway too short.
Well, guys, that was a runway too short. Oh.
bank angle, bank angle, bank angle, bank angle, bank angle.
Guys, why won't I slow down? Oh, wait. You guys are hooked on
100.
success.
50, 40, 30,
Guys,
20,
I don't think I'm gonna make
10.
it. Oh, stop! There, finally said it. Meanwhile, I put the wrong emoji at the end. Guys, I feel like I'm forgetting something. Meanwhile, engine's still on fire nerdily. Oh my gosh, what? Wait a minute. No. Oh my, I didn't even do anything. Wonder what I did. This is the same airport I got the plane from. I'm going to make it. Guys, help! I missed it. Yahoo! God, it's dark. Yay, I'm flying. Whee. Here, let me make it light. Whee.
Terrain. Pull up. Pull up.
There, pull up. Wait. There's a scratch.
Engine 2, fire. Help me, guys. I can't see nothing. Guys, help.
Stall.